very glad, a very happy morning to all. Respected dignitaries on the days, all-time eminent our teachers, and my dear children. Yes, it's time to come out from your warm blankets and couches in this rainy season to your classrooms to enjoy, explore, and live the lessons that you learned from your school days. Today, you all are here to make memories of your school days, especially with your teachers, friends, and above all, this institution, St. Teresa's, will bring out the best in you. So let's celebrate Praveshnotsam, the festival of welcoming all to the corridors of
വീഡിയോസിനായി B4 Place ഫോളോ ചെയ്യൂ, സബ്സ്ക്രൈബ് ചെയ്യൂ.